Do you know? As of 2024, 56% of organizations have adapted DevSecOps best practices. If you compare this percentage, it is more than previously. Also, there are some emerging roles in the AI security. So, integrating AI with DevSecOps, it increases many roles in this area. And while securing your workflows like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT. Hi, this is Murli, founder of ITS Code Private Limited. So today we are going to discuss about how to crack these roles career in the DevSecOps best practices with AI and ML IoT. So for that, first we have to have basic understanding about software development lifecycle stages. So here we need to think about how developers are working. Similar way, how testers are working, how operation teams are working. So whenever we are trying to develop any product, let us imagine we are trying to develop one product for Amazon. So once you develop your product, so we need to deliver this application with users. They are trying to deliver this application so that they will try to place this product in the Amazon catalog. Once it is done, user will reach the website. They will start reviewing the product, and they will try to purchase that. Right? In this process, first let us try to observe some basic to endpoint. Amazon is one of the clients for our Infosys. Now, Infosys, they will try to collect the requirements from Amazon, then they will try to define some roadmap. So to deliver this entire work, so first they will try to have some detailed planning. Once it is done, they will try to assign this work with different teams, like software development, testing, and next, operational engineer. So here, each and every stage, we need to make sure there should not be any errors and conflicts. Whatever developers are doing, like as a DevSecOps engineers or along with AML IoT. So first we need to make sure how developers are working, then we'll try to automate those responsibilities or developer responsibility. Let us say developers are working 1 to 10 tasks for 5 hours. So we need to simplify these areas. So we need to minimize the process as well as time. Also, we need to create feedback mechanism also. If anything goes wrong, we need to address immediately with the first stage. Once developers develop the code, then we need to have some feedback validation mechanism with the help of test cases. So in this area also, as a DevOps engineer, DevSecOps engineer, first we need to understand how they are working manually. So once it is done, so we need to deliver this application with users with the help of our operation teams. So here also we need to understand how operation teams are working. So now we observe different stages. Developer to end user, we can see software development life stages. First, we'll try to understand manually how they are working. Then we'll try to create a roadmap. Right? So how to simplify these entire phases step by step. For this, we'll try to use our DevSecOps strategies. And one more thing is here, now we are delivering this application with users. Now users started purchasing this washing machine with the help of Amazon. Then whenever he's trying to mention some price, if he's trying to buy that product, he's facing some security issues, or let us say some time issues or page time issues. They should not get that. Right? Before going to the user, we need to make sure there should not be any errors or environment or a product itself. These are all things we can set up with the help of our DevSecOps strategies. Now let us come into the AI and ML IoT. Nowadays, if you observe, so many applications they are developing are AI-based and like IoT, edge computing based, so many things happening. So for all these things, we need to make sure there should not be any issues, like there should not be any delays as well as any conflicts and other issues. For all these things, we will try to streamline this entire process. Right? Nowadays, so many AI-based solutions are there. For all these things, to stable the environment, we need to have our DevSecOps strategies. So, and this is the process you can see. Next, we need to how to prepare that. These are all things you need to concentrate. After that, you need to have proper resources. So many communities are there. Just try to participate in the communities. Also, just try to participate in the LinkedIn as well. LinkedIn, you can participate whatever things you know. So just try to share your opinions as well as your opinions you can post in the LinkedIn. Just try to follow all these things, and definitely you can crack your career in the DevSecOps as well as AML related scenarios.